everyone, this is Zhejiang University from the main gate. We are going to the south gate where medicine and engineering, agriculture, biotechnology college is there, science. Here public administration faculty, this building, Maming building. In front of you, one of the most beautiful building, this is a library, and this is the exhibition or the hall, big hall for graduation as well as the gym, and we have theater over there. So this is how vibrant Zhejiang University life is, consists of many students, both domestic and international. Yeah, so this is the intersection. So let's go here, and we are going to the south gate for agriculture, science and engineering, some of engineering building faculty. I'm reading my e-bag, and this is the taxi. So this from the main gate, you can see here. This is the library. Also political science, humanity and public administration faculty. From that building until here, very long. Here is some spring right now, around March, so maybe the scene of winter and summer would be different. This is the shared classroom for many faculties. If you are medicine students, politics, engineering, you might study in this one shared building. Hello. Actually, Zhejiang University is very big. It has 4 branches. This is one of them, and I think the biggest one, Zhejiang branch. And it's very huge, very huge. You cannot walk even to make around. Now we are using the e-bike. Zhejiang University is known as one of the most prestigious university in China after Peking, Tsinghua, Fudan maybe, and then Shanghai, and it's considered one of the best. But you know, unfortunately, it doesn't have like international school, which English is not there. I mean, the medium of learning is English. Mostly the medium of learning is Chinese here, although this is one of the best university. This is the issue that maybe Chinese university administration want to deal with it. This College of Animal Science.
College of Animal Science.
Over there, College of Life Science. We are on 7th floor of Agriculture and Biotechnology faculty. I'm taking shoot from above the university. Beautiful, right? Our university has many river and lake, as well as surrounded by green areas. Jump to another topic. Here I find a so unique bike with tubeless, tire. So it will never, the air will never finish because it has a hole like this. So it's in another word, it is tubeless. So this is over in front of you is Agriculture Life Science College. And now we are going to the rest of the place of this prestigious university. In front of you is yellow bike, namely OVO, known as OVO in China. You can rent this 30 minutes, one
kuai, right?
Yeah, 1 yuan for the but you need to give deposit 100 yuan, and then after you graduate you can take the deposit again.
Wow, what is college?
Wow, you can see that. Wow, so beautiful. You can drink coffee, bring your tea there and study if you want in a very green grass. This is College of Medicine, I think so. In front of you is biggest canteen in the world. So this is the main canteen in this university, facilitated by school. Actually, you pay food here by card, so they don't receive a cash. And I will show you the halal canteen here. So if you are Muslim, don't worry about the food. You can purchase halal food. Halal canteen is very big.
Muslim canteen, ada tulisan Arab itu. Ada tulisan Arab. Kelihatan nggak?
And over here, in front of you, this building are Chinese hostel for Chinese. Ya.
Coba lihat mereka pada mau makan malam.
For international students, they have better hostel than this. This is for Chinese.
Coba lihat, itu kantin terbesar di dunia.
This is the canteen.
Oh, putus.